So I'm going to show you how to add photos to your Echo Show 5 so you can have them on the home screen. So for this, you're going to have to go to your phone and launch the Alexa app on your phone. So just go and find the Amazon Alexa app. And on the app, you're going to have to tap on devices and then select your specific
Sorry,
device.
I wasn't able to navigate to launcher. All right, I'm opening the Amazon Alexa app for you right now.
So tap on the Echo Show 5 itself and then tap on the settings icon to open up the settings of this particular Echo Show 5. Now, scroll down on the settings page until you get to photo display. Tap on that. And then you can see a curated selection of your photos automatically refreshed daily. This is if you upload photos to Amazon. If not, you can actually manually select my photos. And if you manually select photos, these photos will always be available on not only your Echo Show 5, but all your Amazon devices. So let's go ahead and hit continue. And then it's going to open up the camera roll. Now, in this process, of course, at some point, if it's the first time, it's going to ask you to give it permission to access your gallery. So you want to go ahead and do that. And then now I can go into my camera roll and I can pick a couple of photos. So let's say I can pick that one, and maybe one more, this one. Okay. You can put in uh, up to 10 photos. So let's tap on add. And those photos should be uploaded to Amazon and now should be available on my Echo Show 5. So let's wait for it to upload. So once they upload, you have the option to add some photos or remove some. And also you have the option display on device. So make sure that's turned on. Now once you do that, you can now exit out of this app and the photos should start appearing on your Echo Show 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.